In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly connect your social networks to Sprout Social. First, log into your Sprout Social account. This ensures you have access to your dashboard and any existing groups or profiles. If you manage multiple brands, make sure you're in the right workspace before you begin so the new connections end up in the correct place. Next, head to your account settings. You can click your profile icon or go to Settings, then Account and Settings. From here, look for the option labeled Connect a Profile. If you prefer, you can also open Groups and Social Profiles and select the plus Connect a Profile button. Both routes take you to the same connection flow. Sprout supports a wide range of networks, so choose the platform you want to add. You can connect Facebook pages, Instagram business or creator profiles, LinkedIn personal profiles, and company pages, TikTok, YouTube brand accounts, X, Pinterest, Threads, Blue Sky, and WhatsApp. Pick the icon for the network you want, and Sprout will guide you through the rest. When prompted, authorize the connection. This usually opens a new browser window where you sign into the social network and approve the permissions Sprout requests. Be sure you have the right access level on that platform, like Page Admin for Facebook or Company Page Admin for LinkedIn. If a pop-up is blocked, allow pop-ups for Sprout so the authorization window can appear. Some networks may ask for two-factor authentication, so have your verification method ready. For Instagram, confirm the profile is set to business or creator. And for YouTube, select the correct brand account if you manage more than one. Always review the requested permissions and click Allow or Authorize to proceed. After authorization, finish setup back in Sprout. You'll see a confirmation screen where you can review the connected profile and, if available, assign it to the appropriate group or team. This helps keep your workspace organized and ensures the right people can schedule, publish, and report on the new profile. Once you authorize the network, you'll return to Sprout with a success message. Your profile is now connected and ready for publishing, scheduling, and reporting. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check your permissions on the social network. You can repeat this process to add additional profiles quickly, following the same steps for each platform. That's it. You've connected your social networks to Sprout Social, centralized your workflow, and set yourself up for faster, more reliable publishing and analytics.